Good morning, good afternoon to everyone out there. This is Lemon here. Today, took a day off today. Today, I'm working on my 2003 Ford Power Stroke Diesel 6.0. I had to replace the injectors on it. Done a lot of stuff to the truck, IGR cooler and everything. New wire harness. Let's see, the IGR valve. There's so many parts I replaced in this truck, and I did a whole suspension in the front. But today we're working on trying to work on this lifters here. I think I hear like a clicking or banging noise. Cylinder 1 and cylinder 3. So I need to see what's going on. That's what I'm doing. I'm looking at right now. I don't know if I have to maybe upgrade my push rod to a 6.4 liter push rods because they're a little shorter. Because the original 6.0, they're a little long. You don't really need on this motor. That's what I was told. So that's what I'm doing today. And the worst case is I'm gonna have to replace the lifter. So I hope everybody